have a girlfriend?
Actually, sir, I had a girlfriend, but recently I left from this relationship because I think in this time just I have to focus on my study because I have a big plan for my study purpose. That's why I think that's when I will be able to success or I will be able to catch my success. So this time just I will get a good life partner in my life.
Wow, great. That means for learning English, you have left your girlfriend.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Oh my goodness.
May I have a seat, sir?
Please have a seat. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
What's your name?
Sir, it's me, Mohammad Mahdi Hassan Alif. Alif is my nickname.
And how have you been today?
So I'm doing great and quite excited.
Okay, my first question. How do you feel now?
Yes, sir, I'm feeling good. Great, sir.
Okay, have you taken your breakfast?
Yes, sir, I've taken my breakfast.
Are you a student?
Yes, sir, I'm a student. Now I'm doing my foundation course in Rahat English Care. So I'm a student of Rahat English Care.
Where are you from?
So I'm originally from at Shodor in Faridpur, and Faridpur is a famous district in Bangladesh, and Faridpur famous for some wise person, freedom fighter Mushi Abdul Rauf and Haji Shariatullah and Qoli Kabi Josimuddin were born in Faridpur. So also famous for the river and for the bridge. For the bridge, one of the biggest bridge in Bangladesh. So also for famous for some jute, sugar.
Could I know your family members?
Yes, sir. I belong to nuclear family. It consists of 3 members, my parents and myself. My father, he's a businessman as well as he's a good person. And my mother, he's a domestic engineer. And yeah.
Okay, your father is a businessman. Would you like to be a businessman?
Yeah, obviously, sir. I like businessman, but because, sir, as a Muslim, business is a halal for every Muslim, sir. That's why, sir, most of the time I prefer business, sir.
Would you like to go abroad for pursuing your higher study?
Yeah, obviously, sir. I have already, sir. I have a big plan to go higher study for my study purpose, abroad for my study purpose. That's why just I'm improving my English proficiency in Rahat English Care. And I think, yeah, I'm perfect to take my IELTS exam. And just I will take my IELTS exam and I will prepare myself for abroad.
Which country would you like to go?
Actually, sir, I have chosen Italy because Italy is a very famous and beautiful country, and it's famous for study purpose. Yeah, there are a lot of oldest university in Italy, and I think it will help me for my study purpose, and also it's helped me to get a good scholarship in Italy.
Italy.
Yeah.
I got it. Your point. Do you use Facebook?
Yes, sir. I used to Facebook.
Facebook.
When just I get free time, this time just I scrolling Facebook and I'll try to get something positive in Facebook. But I don't use it for a long time.
This question is very personal. Could I ask?
Obviously, sir.
Do you have a girlfriend?
Actually, sir, I had a girlfriend, but recently I left from this relationship because I think in this time just I have to focus on my study because I have a big plan for my study purpose. That's why I think that's when I will be able to success or I will be able to catch my success. So this time just I will get a good life partner in my life.
Wow, great. That means for learning English, you have left your girlfriend.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Oh my goodness. Congratulations. Okay, thank you very much. This question is also very personal. Do you smoke?
Actually, sir, I'm not used to smoke, but sometimes my friend circle just we are gathering together. This time just I try to do something very it's not very often, sir.
Is it good for health?
Actually, sir, I think smoking is bad for our health. Smoking causes cancer. It is the most and main reason to leave smoking, sir. So that's why, sir, I'm not used to with smoking.
What's your opinion? Water is called second life?
Sir, if I say that about second life, sir, it's mean too, sir. As a Muslim, sir, it's second life about our. Sir, if I say very friendly, sir, it's called, sir, after married is one kind of second life, sir.
Married second life.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I got it. Do you think you are very happy in your personal life with your friends as well as your family members?
Obviously, sir, I'm happy with my family members because they are my parents. Most of the time, my parents try to give up myself. They try to inspire me for successful in my life. And when just I feel like I'm down in myself, this time just they inspire me to do good something for in my life. Sir. That's why, sir, most of the time I prefer with my family, and I'm happy with my family.
Which season do you like very most?
Actually, sir, Bangladesh is six seasonal country. I like most rainy and winter.
Winter.
Yes, sir.
Is there any specific reason to like winter season?
Yeah, obviously, sir. Winter season is a very beautiful season. I prefer this season for my traveling purpose, sir. Because in this season, the traveling place is look like so beautiful. That's why, sir, I chose this season for my traveling purpose.
Do you like traveling?
Yeah, obviously, sir. I like traveling, sir.
Have you ever been to Cox's Bazar?
No, sir. I never ever been Cox's Bazar, but I went to Rangamati and Shajik, and it's also very beautiful place.
Are you married?
No, sir. I'm not married. I'm single, sir.
What's your opinion about your institute?
Actually, sir, I have a good experience with my institution. Before coming here, I have no enough. I have no enough skill about English. So I was very weak in basic. So after coming here, I can see there are a lot of teacher. My most of my favorite teacher, whose name is Rahat sir, and Rahat sir also helped me to improve my English proficiency, and it's tremendous. It's very helpful. It was very helpful for me, and because now I feel that I'm fulfilled about my basic. When my basic is done, so it's very easy to. It's very easy to increase my English proficiency. It's very to develop my English proficiency. So, sir, there are a lot of another teacher, Arif sir, Saddam sir. They are also very good teacher, and their teaching method was very beautiful and very friendly. So, sir, I think Rahat English Care is the best institution in Dhaka city, not only Dhaka city, whole Bangladesh. So those people just they have no idea, they have no good proficiency in English. They just come in here, and after coming here, they just they can see what happening with them, sir.
So your speaking skill is very excellent. I'm very fascinated. Thank you very much. Best of luck. Go ahead.